So guys, as you can see, all my luggage is packed. I have kept it on my bike today because I'm not keeping on that. It takes time to come. My field of view has changed. I have fixed my helmet mount properly and it works. I used M-Seal. Best jugaad ever. I don't know. I have lost faith in 3M tapes now. So this thing is fitted like a rock and hopefully won't move. I think it won't move ever. Anyway, as you can see, it's a tough mini terrain where we had parked our bikes last night. It will take some time to get all the bikes figured out. Man, the roads are just wow. मज़ा आ रहा है बाइक चलाने को. Really, BRO has done a good job. Very, very good job. You know what? Let's clap for them. Really, good job. Highest point in this part of the highway. So guys, reached Fatula top. अरे यार ये हेलमेट चलो निकल जाते हैं before I get breathing issues. There is one thing, at this high altitude you kind of struggle to breathe, kind of, okay? So we are at Lamayuru, just done with, क्या हुआ? पकड़ो. Okay. So just done with lunch and now we are leaving for Leh. Finally. Okay, so I dropped my glares. Okay, here it is. फुल स्क्रैचेस ना आए यार, लग जाएंगे नहीं तो. ठीक है, स्क्रैचेस नहीं. चलो लेट्स गो. So guys, you have to be careful with the fallen rocks. You will find these fallen rocks like everywhere. You have to be really careful. एडवेंचर नेशन ये राइड का नाम ड्रीम राइड क्यों डाला? बिकॉज इट इज़ वन, इट इज़ रियली अ ड्रीम राइड. Guys, currently at Magnetic Hill, and as you can also see, it's too windy. And talking about Magnetic Hill, starts from here, goes up to there. When you look at it, it seems like it is going on top, but actually it's going down. Okay, now it's quite confusing because some people say if you keep the vehicle there, it goes backwards. तो कैसा मैग्नेटिक हिल हुआ यार? तो ग्रेविटी हुआ. It is mandatory for me to tell you guys right now that Magnetic Hill is a complete fail. I don't know why. I can't even find the markings that I saw in other travel videos of this place, but I can't find those markings, and none of the cars actually climbed the hill. It actually came down the slope. I don't know what. Maybe the new tarmac that you can see right now has destroyed it. About 15 kilometers before reaching our destination, I saw one of the most beautiful cities, nestled between the mountains, far away from the chaos. A city that we dreamed to reach a couple of years back, and the view from that point was worth it. In that excitement, the group split again. Lucky enough, we were told about the hotel's name, and there was network, and the maps was working. So we traced our route to the hotel and took my much needed rest in the city that looks like heaven.